It is page number 96. Method to check whether a given number is perfect square or not by prime factorization. First, you have to find the prime factors of the given number, and second, groups the prime factors as a pair of equal numbers. And then, if all the pairs are complete, that all the factors have been paired, then the number is perfect square. If any prime factor is left unpaired, then the given number is not a perfect square. Hence, we conclude that a natural number is called perfect square or a square number if it is a square of some natural number. Again, I am repeating, a natural number is called perfect square or a square number if it is a square or a square of some natural number. Example number 4. Using prime factorization method, examine which of the following numbers are perfect square and which are not. First one is 1296. 1296. And second one is 17787. 17787. So we will solve one by one. 2, 6, and 8. Then 2, 3, 2, 4. So here we will make a pair. 2 and 2 and 2. 3 is without pair. So this is not the perfect square. Here at the unit place, 7 is there. So we can say 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 35, 6 into 6, 36, 7 into 7, 49, 8 into 8, that is 64, 9 into 9, 81. You can see, as we discussed earlier also, at the unit place 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 9, 4, 1 is there, then a square is possible. But here it is 7 given, so it is not the perfect square. Two, 6, 4, 8, 8, 4, 1, 6, 2, 21, 27. Oh, here it is 9, and then here, then it is a perfect square because all the numbers have a pair. 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. So this is the perfect square. But here, as here at unit place 7 is there, it is not possible to get a square. Otherwise, you can make you can use the prime factorization method also. One double 7, 8, 7. Nine, so here 3 into 11 into 11 into 7 into 7. Here pairs are there, but these 3 don't have any pair. It is our So this is not a perfect square.
Next topic is finding the square root of perfect square. Finding a square root of perfect square.
There are methods are there. One is prime factorization method.
By prime factorization method, let us write the prime factors of
44100. 44100, then 2205 and 0. Again then 211025. Now 5 times 5 4 1, then 3. So you can see 7 square, 3 square, 5 square and 2 square. Pairs are there that we can write here 44100 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. That is 2 square, 3 square and 7 square. So root under this will be equal to root under this is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. 210.
procedure for finding the square roots by prime factorization method. Step 1. Write the prime factors of the given number. Step 2. Make the pairs of equal factors obtained in step number 1. Step number 3. To find the square root, write one factor corresponding to each pair obtained in step number 2. Step number 4. Multiply the factors obtained in step number 3. So these are the procedure for finding the square roots by prime factorization method. Next topic is next is example number 5. Example number 5 is saying find the square root of 784.
So by the prime factorization method, we have to find out the factors of prime factors of 74. So again by 2, again by 2, again by 2, 9, now 7 into 7. So we can write here 784 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So root under 784 is equal to square root of 784 is equal to 2 square into 2 square into 7 square. That is 2 into 2 into 7. That is 28.
Next is example number 6.